to living longer and stronger. Health is wealth. The modern citizens are leading a healthier life than the early man. People are living long in many countries. They are living for above 70 years in the advanced countries. In India, the longevity is above 50 years. All this is the result of the advancements in the field of medical sciences. Instruments. Medical technology resulted in the invention of many medical instruments, which help the doctor to know the condition of a patient, diagnose the disease, and prescribe suitable medicines. The instruments used by the doctor are thermometer, stethoscope, and microscope. Thermometer. Thermometer is an instrument by which we can find the temperature of a person. It helps the doctor in treating the people. In this instrument, degrees in Fahrenheit are marked from 95 to 110. The normal temperature of a human body is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It is put in the mouth or armpit of the patient for a minute to measure the temperature. Stethoscope. This simple instrument is used by the doctors to examine the condition of the patient's heart and lungs. With it, the doctor listens to the heartbeat and the movement of air in the lungs. When two children were playing a game, they heard the sound between the two ends of a log of wood. This formed the inspiration for the invention of the stethoscope. Microscope. The tiniest and the minutest living beings are germs. They cause a lot of diseases. They cannot be seen with our eyes. They can be seen only through a microscope. This wonderful machine was invented by Italy's Galileo Galilei. Microscope is the arrangement of glasses in such a way that a fly could be seen in a magnified size. Such glasses are called flea glasses, and Galileo called this as a microscope. He said that through a microscope, a fly can be as big as a lamb. Zacharias Janssen and Hans Lippershey, noted as the first men to develop the concept of the compound microscope. This instrument is used to examine the blood, urine, stools, and sputum and the presence of germs in them. This enables the doctor to find the cause and give a proper treatment to the patient. With the change of time, there are many inventions. As a result, other equipments became available to doctors. They are used by the doctor to identify the illness of the patients and prescribe the right medicines. The X-rays and scanning machines help us in showing even the minute parts of our body. The scanning machine helps us to see the brain, liver, kidney, and other parts with their functioning. With these equipments and sharp instruments, doctors are able to successfully conduct surgeries without any difficulty. New medicines. In olden days, people did not know the cause of the disease. They believed that diseases were the result of God's curse. Some felt that evil spirits were the cause of diseases. People used to go to the witch doctors, magicians, and faith healers to get the diseases cured. The development of science made these superstitions to disappear. Presently, the causes of the diseases are scientifically examined and treatment is provided for their cure. With the invention of some medicines, the control and cure of diseases has become easier. The invention of antibiotics have proved to be a great blessing to the patients suffering from the deadly diseases. These antibiotics are produced by bacteria that destroy the disease-causing germs. Some of the antibiotics are penicillin, quinine, and streptomycin. Penicillin was invented by Sir Alexander Fleming in 1928. The discovery of quinine has helped to eradicate malaria. In the olden days, tuberculosis was a dangerous disease. Streptomycin is now used for the treatment of tuberculosis. Surgery. Indian doctors knew about surgery even in ancient times. The instruments and the methods they adopted were very crude. With the development of new techniques, science of surgery also developed. Now, we can replace or transplant any damaged part of the body. Grafting of the skin or replacement of damaged or burnt skin with the skin from another part of the body is possible. Prevention. It is said that prevention is better than cure. We can prevent diseases by vaccination and pasteurization, and also by following some basic health principles. Vaccination. Vaccination is the protection against diseases by injecting a vaccine. Vaccination in the childhood will prevent the attack of deadly diseases like smallpox, polio, tetanus, and whooping cough. Jenner's invention of anti-smallpox vaccine. To eradicate smallpox, Dr. Edward Jenner of England invented a vaccine. The preparation of disease germs or viruses used for the protection of a person against smallpox and some other diseases is called a vaccine. As a doctor, he treated many who had an attack of smallpox and noticed that the milkmaids who had an attack of cowpox did not get smallpox. After all the experiments, he finally invented a vaccine. He injected this vaccine into a person's body and he got a mild attack of smallpox. Slowly, the vaccine developed immunity in the body against smallpox, thereby resulting in the prevention of smallpox and lead to the invention of the other vaccines. Pasteurization. The other way to prevent diseases is pasteurization. Louis Pasteur of France discovered that germs could be killed by heating milk, water, or other things that we take to a certain degree. The process of killing germs by heating is known as pasteurization. Many disease-causing germs enter our body through the milk, food, and water that we take. If we prevent the entry of disease-causing germs, then we will be free from illness. Basic ways to keep our body healthy. 1. The most important way to keep our body healthy is to maintain cleanliness. We should be clean and also keep our surroundings clean and tidy. 2. An important way to be healthy is to take fresh and nutritious food. Our health depends mainly on the food that we take. We must take good food in order to be healthy. 3. In order to be healthy, we should always do the physical exercises. These exercises keep our body fit and healthy. Primary health centers and hospitals are being set up to look after the health of the people in many villages and towns. As it is said, health is wealth. We should try always to be healthy. Small family. With the medicines being invented for diseases, people are able to live longer, which is leading to the increase in population. As the population is increasing, we are unable to provide all the basic facilities to our growing population. Thus, it is necessary to control the growth of population. It finally means that we should keep our family small to lead a happy life. Let's revise the important points. 1. All the medical instruments are a result of the advancement of medical sciences. 2. Medicines like penicillin, quinine, and streptomycin have helped the doctors to cure diseases. 3. Surgeries became simple and easy by the invention of surgical equipments. 4. Diseases can be prevented by vaccination and pasteurization. 5. The most important way to keep ourselves healthy is to maintain cleanliness.